Hi guys, I'm quite bored right now, but this gives me more lag because I have a bad Wi-Fi. So what should I'm gonna play right now? I'm really bored, but tell me in the comments what should I play right now. So I'm bored.